फोंडें शहरात डेंग्यूचे 30 सक्रिय केसी मेळ्ळ्यात. तेतूंतल्यो 6 गंभीर केशी फोंडेंच्या दत्तगड वाठारांत मेळ्ळ्यात. दोतोर स्मिता पार्सेकारान म्हायती दिल्या. फोंडा तालुक्यांत डेंग्यू आड झुजपाक भलायकी खात्या कडेन कर्मचारी कमी आसात हें तिणें मान्य केलां.
फोंडें नगरपालिकेन डेंग्यूचेर जागृताय घडोवन हाडल्या. भलायकी खात्याची दोतोर स्मिता पार्सेकारान फोंड्याच्या नगराध्यक्ष रितेश नायका बरोबर बसका घेतली आनी डेंग्यूचे कशे नियंत्रणात हाडपा खातीर केल्ल्या नियोजनाचेर चर्चा केली. फोंड्या तालुक्यांत वखदाचे फवारे मारपाक तशेंच जळारांचे पैदासीचेर लक्ष दिवपाक भलायकी खात्या कडेन कमी कर्मचारी आसात. पंचायत पातळीचेर हे कर्मचारी वाडोवप गरजेचे अशें दोतोर पार्सेकारान सांगले.
We have already started. We have already taken the block level committee meetings. We have taken the even other places. We have taken the Kulagar owners meeting. It's in Keri, which we have done the meeting last month only. Again, with the intersectoral departments, all departments, we have done in presence of the deputy collector. We have done the meeting regarding this dengue awareness and control program.
No, 38 cases are in Honda city, no?
It's not in city, as I have mentioned, including Nathagad and other places.
No.
Under probably has Honda, this is not in a 1 month. And again, I am repeating, it's not in a 1 month.
No.
So what kind of help you accept from municipality?
Yes, we need major thing is we have shortage of staff for the fogging. So if one team goes for the one particular area, for example, if it goes to the Keri or Betoda side or other side, that's only one team we have. So we expect that at least each panchayat should have a team, including the municipality. And whenever there are suspected cases, that they should go at that area. And also the construction sites, whichever are going on, which are completed or which are still having the work going on. We need their help to control this and to have a coordination with all them.
No, what is